Hello, my name is Tiko Tabarat. I want to storytelling about what? I don't know what the title, but you can hear me, okay? Once there was a hare. Hare is name, yeah. Once there was a hare who was best friends with a tortoise. The hare was very proud of how fast the could run. So one day he challenged the tortoise to a race. The tortoise agreed, even even though everyone thought he was way too slow to win. The race began, and the hare raced too fast that he was far ahead of the tortoise. Feeling confident, the hare decided to take a nap under a tree while the tortoise kept going. Step by step, when the hare woke up, he was shocked to see the tortoise crossing the finish line. The tortoise had won the race. Moral of the story: it doesn't matter how fast or strong you are. What matters is being steady and never giving up. And don't be too proud. It can cause trouble. Ah, susah namanya. The name is hard. Oh, story. The second story. The dog and the bone. Anjay. Anjing dan tulang. One day, a dog found a big, tasty bone. He was so excited that he craved it. Oh, kita ulang. One day, a dog found a big, tasty bone. He was so excited that he craved it and ran to find a quiet spot to chew in a piece. While crossing a river, he looked down. He looked down and saw his reflection in the water, but the silly dog thought it was another dog with another bone, greater for more. The dog barked to snatch that other bone, but as soon as he opened his mouth, his own bone threw it into the water and sank. The poor dog lost it all and had to go home with nothing. Anjay, makanya jangan serakah. Moral of the story: if you're too greedy and always want more, you may lose what you already have. Masih susah. The third story, the thirsty crow. What's the crow? Burung? No, I don't have money anymore. The thirsty crow was flying through a forest, looking everywhere for water. Finally, he saw a pot with some water at the bottom, but his beak couldn't reach it. The crow didn't give up. He looked around and noticed some pebbles on the ground. The clever crow started dropping the pebbles into the pot one by one. Slowly, the water rose higher and higher until it was close enough for him to drink. The crow finally quenched his thirst and flew away happily. Moral of the story: you can solve any problem if you think smart and don't give up. The last story, Lazy John. There was a boy named John, and he was the laziest boy in the entire town. One day, John saw the apple tree full of shiny red apples. He wanted to eat some, but was too lazy to climb the tree. Instead, he lay on the grass and waited for the apples to fall down on their own. But of course, the apples didn't fall, and soon John was very, very hungry because he hadn't worked for his food. Moral of the story: laziness won't get you anywhere. You have to work hard to get what you want. Okay. The Fox and the Crabs. Sorry, sorry. Cerita tadi bukan yang terakhir. Masih ada ini. My arms is big. A hungry fox was walking past a vineyard when he saw some ripe, juicy grapes hanging from a vine that looked so delicious. The fox jumped high to grab them, but he couldn't reach them. No matter how hard he tried and frustrated, the fox walked away, grumbling. Susah. Terakhir banyak ya. Oh, ini the last one. The 11 and the ants. Semut ya, semut. A big proud 11 loved pulling smaller animals. Every day he sprayed water at the anthill, making life difficult for the tiny ants. One day the ants decided to teach him a lesson. They crawled into his trunk and started patting him from the inside. The 11 danced and howled in pain until he begged for forgiveness. He promised to never hurt the ants or anyone else again. Moral: no one is too small to make a difference. Be kind to everyone, no matter how big or small they are. Udah capek.